Hello guys, today we'll be looking at the step-by-step strategy of trading spot trading or of doing spot trading on Bybit. So stick to this video from the beginning to the end so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how you can really start the spot trading on Bybit and as well how you can make money trading this crypto coin on spot on Bybit. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and as well share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So without waste of time, let's begin into it. One thing you must do first, you must make sure your wallet is funded. If your wallet is funded, then you must make sure you move the money from the funding wallet, okay, from the funding, transfer the money from the funding wallet to the unified trading account. Is the funding, is a unified trading account. It must go from here to here. This is when the money will now be available for you to trade on Bybit. The next thing you just need to do is to quickly navigate yourself to the market. Study those coins carefully. Look at each ones that are having a fire sign, because that is what I always advise you to buy. Look at the ones that always have a fire sign. Then make your choice from them. And you can dive into them carefully and make something rational for yourself. So let's assume we want to trade this hedge. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere of this nature. But anyone you click and you see this place written short, and you see this place written long, this is not spot trading. This will now be known as derivatives or featured trading on Bybit. So always take note. It must be showing buy here and it must be showing sell here. This is when you are on spot trading. Okay, you can as well do that or you make your choice. You can search for a particular coin you really want to buy as well, dive into it and start trading it for profit. All right, I've dropped some videos on how you can find signal on your own. I've also dropped some video on how you can buy and sell. I've also dropped some videos on how you can set stop loss. Okay, so I'm going to drop those links at the descriptive section of the video so that you can visit any of them that you're not that sure of. Okay, if you realize that I don't really know actually how to do the buy and the sell, then you can visit those videos that I'll be leaving in the descriptive sections so that it can put you through. So without waste of time, I'm going to click on buy. Okay, without waste of time, I'll click on buy because I want to buy now. Okay, so if you click on buy, this is what you will do. This place is the particular volume, the current volume, the current price of this particular coin known as G7. Okay, known as G7 is the current price of it. Here is showing limit. Change it to market price so that your trade will be executed instantly. I've invested over 70 USDT on this particular coin already, but I still wish to use it for this tutorial. Okay, so if you want to use the whole fund in your wallet to buy, you can just drag this from here to here. For example, you can see I've dragged everything, which is why you're seeing this is equal to this. Okay, this is what I have and this is what I want to buy with. I'm using the whole wallet balance for this. I do hope you're getting it. If you're actually understanding this video, do well to comment at the comment sections so that I will really understand that you are following up. All right. And if there's any video you want me to talk about, go on, drop it in the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. All right. So before we proceed, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos so that a lot of people can learn from it. Okay. So from there, you're gonna go into click on buy, but you will not just click on buy. You have to set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay. Okay. Let's say this is the particular price of the coin currently, and I'm using my whole capital to buy. I'm going to go into click on this box to tick it up, the TP and the SL, TP/SL. Okay, so I'll enter this place. At what rate do I want to buy? Do I want to leave the market? Okay, at what rate do I want to cash out? Maybe I want to cash out at 0.00055. Okay, so from this to that, my SL, my TP will be 5.5. You can see the unrealized profit and loss will be 5.5. Okay, so coming to this place, at what rate do I want to cash out? Okay, at what rate do I want to cash out? Do I want to leave the market if the market is poor? That is my stop loss. Maybe if the market kept declining, I wish to leave the market when the market is 0.0002, sorry, 0.22. You can see my unrealized profit and loss, you can see here, will be minus 6.74. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is actually what I'll be getting. This is what I'll be losing if it got to 0002. I'll be losing 6.7, and if you get to 55 as my take profit, okay, if you get to 0.0055 as my take profit, I'll be getting 5, sorry. Okay, so the next thing you're just going to go into do is click on buy. So if you click on buy, it's going to bring you to a preview. It will bring you to a preview like this. Okay, this place again, you can check anywhere you made a mistake, you just correct it up, and you can see your take profit and stop loss is here, your TPS low order is here, and whatever and what have you. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on buy, and your trade will be executed instantly. Okay, if you click on buy, your trade will be what? Your trade will be executed instantly. Okay, and if you want to sell again, you follow the same process. Come here to click on sell, drag everything you wish to sell with, click on sell, and everything will be done. Okay, and everything will be done. All right, so there's also a video that shows a sell and buy limit. I'm also going to go into drop it for you to see the video. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this very class. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP.